Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Pompompurin from Sanrio. So let's get started. To draw this cute dog, let's first start by drawing his little hat. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. Right at the bottom right here, we're going to be creating an oval. So just bring it up to about this size and then round off the sides. And then I'm going to go up and do the same thing, draw the same thing, and about right here in the center, I'm going to stop and then pop in this little notch for his little beret hat, and then continue my oval. So the size of your hat will determine the size of Pompompurin when you draw him. Okay, so then now that I have the hat, I'm going to come right underneath. This is where you're going to put his eyes. So right in this area right here, come down to say about right here. Give it some good amount of space, and about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a circle. And right underneath as well. So same thing about right here. Draw another circle. So his eyes are pretty far apart. So now my circle's in, I'm just going to go in here and let's see, since I'm pretty big, I'm going to put in a little highlight since my circle is big enough. If it doesn't look good, I'll black it out. So I'll put in a little highlight for now. And then let's come in between his eyes, and right about here, I'm going to go ahead and draw his little nose. So I'm just going to draw a curve, round off the sides, and then connect it together and cap it off. Maybe a little highlight as well, and then come straight down, and then we're going to curve out for the mouth on both sides. From there, I'm going to go ahead above his eye and just draw a soft curve. So then now that we have this in right underneath his hat, we're going to come to the sides right here. So we're just imagining this body, nice round body that's coming from the hat. So like his head would be about right here. And so about in this area where his eye is, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve. So this will determine how wide your dog is. So same thing over here. Just imagine this curve. So then about right here where the eye is, in this area, just draw a curve. There. Okay, so then now that we have this, we're going to come back to this hat right here by the center, and we're going to draw a curve, comes down towards this right there, and then from here I'm going to bring this up a little bit more. You could have drawn this curve first if that's easier, and then just skip a little bit space and then draw this curve. Then from there I'm going to go ahead and let's see here, we need to draw this ear. So this ear is going to be popping out from the top, so about right here in this area, in the center of our hat, we're going to go up, and we're going to draw this cute little ear that flops up and bring it all the way back down to about right here, and then we're going to finish our curve for his head. And then on this side it comes down a little bit lower, so let's bring this curve down a little bit more past his mouth. So right about here, we're going to pass his mouth, and then in this area, now that I'm pretty even on both sides, I'm going to come out a little bit for his body. So same thing here. And then we can go ahead and draw this ear. So we're just going to come in a little bit and then come out, and we're going to end it about right here. So just like the other side. Nice and round, and then just bring it in. There, so cute, right? Okay, so then from there, we're going to bring this down more for his body. Make him nice and fat. And back and forth. So see how long you want to make Pompompurin here. And bring it down to about right. About right there. I'll stop, and then I'm just going to imagine as if this was going all the way. I'm going to connect it, but I'm going to skip a little bit space, and about right here in the center, and go ahead and draw this curve right in the center. And then this space right here is where I'm going to draw the feet. So just come right in here, and we're just going to draw basically the bottom of a U to connect back up. And same thing here. So just make sure you're about the same level. And same thing. So now that we're done with the outside, let's draw the inside part with his hands. And I thought it'd be really cute for him to be holding one of his friends. So let's draw him holding Muffin here. And so in about, let's see here. Let's say about right here in this area. I'm gonna go ahead. So just imagine this curve was coming down, about right here where his hands would be. I'm just gonna go ahead and draw a curve, pointing towards the center. So just a curve on both sides. There. Now we can draw Muffin in here, or any of his friends that you want, and just gonna simplify it. So let's say we're gonna kind of have to go a little bit backward. So about right here, so that we make sure we're fitting Muffin in here, I'm going to draw a curve. And curve right here, and pop in some ears, and the top of the head, and another ear, and there, and then the body. So just nice and round, so about right here. Gonna continue, and then a little foot, and continue, and one more foot. There. So just that basic round shape for Muffin. And then let's come back in here. We're gonna spruce this up. So about right, say about right here. Let's draw a circle for an eye, and same thing here. And then this little mouth in between. And then we need to draw the hand. So right here, give her a little hand. And then there's a little marking right here, different color. So I'm just gonna draw a curve right there. And let's see, that's pretty much it, except I'll put a heart right here on Pompompurin right here to make it my jaw so cute. Pompompurin from Sanrio. I really hope I helped you draw this cute golden retriever dog here from Sanrio, and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.